The Popesal dance.
Sure.
They will eat you, Mr. Matabata, in your house in Limpopo. They will come to Mam Kapa's house one day. They will come to DM's house of the president one day. They will come to Mr. Ramasodi's house one day and eat him live. You don't worry about that. It's a ticking bomb that is going to explode on your faces. 30 years in democracy. You are busy testing people's patience. You are very lucky that you are South Africans. We're taught respect and we don't do things haphazardly. Foreign abantu to fight them. I'm not scared of the gun. I'm not going to die and show the finger that I'm buried here. I will die. As long as if I'm going to die for a good cause, I'm willing to die. We are here to fight for our people. We are not fighting with our fellow white commercial farmers. No, they are frustrated too. My neighbor is former MD of the DPS, Gary Ray. My neighbor right next door of mine. The behind neighbor is Dr. Treasure, the state vet. I mean the private vet. He is frustrated.